Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to send money on Revolut. You first want to go ahead and launch the Revolut app, okay? And from here, I want you to go ahead and click on the transfer option, okay? It will be right next to the add money option. Go ahead and click on transfer and you get multiple options here. So what I need you to do on this page, you see here at the top right, you see new. Go ahead and click on a new, right? And then you get a bunch of more options here at the drop down. So you can either choose a bank recipient, crypto wallet. You can add a contact from your phone or create a group, to basically split bills, or you can invite a friend. Okay. So for this instance, what we're going to do, we're going to go with the add a bank recipient, which means transferring money to a bank account. So what they will ask you, they'll ask you to enter in the bank, recipient details like the country of their bank, their currency, recipient account number, as well as their name, their email, and just go ahead and hit on add after you're done with all that. And once you've added the recipient, you simply tap on the recipient account that comes up, and it'll ask you to enter in the amount you want to transfer, and then hit on continue at the bottom. Just continue the transaction and you're done. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Sasha Gemar, and I'll see you in the next one.